Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 5 on PC. The critically acclaimed Persona 5 Royal is now officially available on personal computers, offering a fantastic role-playing experience. You can easily access this title through major digital platforms. It is important to ensure your system meets the necessary specifications for optimal performance and a truly immersive journey into the metaverse. Get ready to steal some hearts. To enjoy Persona 5 Royal on your PC, meeting the system requirements is key. We recommend an Intel Core i5-2300 or AMD FX 6350 processor for smooth gameplay. You will also need at least 8 GB of RAM. For graphics, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 660 or AMD Radeon HD 7870 is sufficient. Finally, ensure you have at least 41 GB of free storage space available. Once your PC is ready, acquiring Persona 5 Royal is straightforward. Simply purchase the game from a trusted digital storefront, such as Steam or the Microsoft Store. After your purchase, follow the clear on-screen instructions to download and install the game files onto your system. Remember to verify the game's file integrity post-installation. You can then choose to play with a compatible controller or configure your keyboard and mouse. To truly enhance your Persona 5 Royal experience, consider a few optimization tips. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to find the perfect balance between stunning visuals and smooth performance. Many players prefer using a gamepad for an authentic, console-like feel. Always keep your graphics drivers updated for the best stability and performance. Additionally, explore the vibrant community for fan-made mods that can offer new content or visual improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.